GraphQL is a query language for APIs and a runtime for executing those queries by using a type system you define for your data. It was developed by Facebook in 2012 and later open-sourced in 2015. GraphQL allows clients to request only the data they need, making it more efficient than traditional RESTful APIs where the server determines the structure of the response. Here are some benefits of GraphQL. Efficient data fetching. Clients can request only the data they need, reducing overfetching and underfetching issues commonly associated with RESTful APIs. This results in faster and more efficient data transfers. Single endpoint. GraphQL APIs typically expose a single endpoint, simplifying the API surface and reducing the need for multiple endpoints or versioning. Strong typing system. GraphQL uses a type system to define the structure of data, which enables developers to reason about their APIs more effectively and provides better tooling support. Declarative data fetching. Clients can specify the shape and structure of the data they want in their queries, allowing for more declarative and intuitive data fetching. Graph-based data model. GraphQL represents data as a graph, which allows for complex data relationships to be queried and retrieved easily. Evolutionary API development. GraphQL APIs can evolve over time without breaking existing clients, as changes to the API schema can be made incrementally without impacting existing queries. Better developer experience. GraphQL's introspection capabilities and strong typing system provide better documentation and tooling support, improving the developer experience when working with APIs. Overall, GraphQL offers a more flexible, efficient, and developer-friendly approach to building and consuming APIs compared to traditional RESTful APIs. For more Apple updates, please subscribe me. Thanks.